So I just made a little repair on my boat with MarineTex, and I wanted to show the results. I had a few chips on my gel coat, which actually went all the way down to the fiberglass. It wasn't flaking or anything, but it did go down to the fiberglass, so I figured I'd fix them before he took any water. There's one there, which you're going to see the top, which is right here at the edge, and then there's another one up here. That one looks pretty rough, but I'm not too concerned about it, and I'll show you why. I'm going to be changing the pinstriping, so it'll be covered that much, so you won't be able to see anything but that. So it's not too big of a deal for me. And then down here, that one looks okay. It's not perfect, obviously. If I wanted it perfect, then I would have paid somebody to do this for me. This is the first couple attempts to repair chips on the gel coat. This is an older boat, which I really care for, I like, but I don't feel like dumping $100 on fixing a couple chips that are not going to be, threatening any issues. So what I used was MarineTex, like I said. That's the two things that are mixed together. Just the paste or the compound, and then the hardener. I used this little key key card to apply it on. So I used it almost like a spatula to apply it on. I used a nail to mix the MarineTex on top of a plastic cap, and then use some, I think this is 1000 grit, 2000 grit, 3M sandpaper, and acetone. So what I did was, before I applied the MarineTex, I sanded it down so I could rough it up a little bit. Took off any loose chips. Then I went ahead and cleaned it with some acetone. Make sure you wear a glove. You don't want that stuff on your skin. I mixed the MarineTex, 5 parts of this to 1 part of this. Applied it, and then try to make it as smooth as I could with a little palette, if you want to call it that. I plan on maybe sanding it a little bit once it hardens. I know this stuff hardens like steel, and it's hard to sand, but if I could just make it a little smoother, if not, and it's not a big deal. I really don't care. Actually, this chip I fixed yesterday, so it's already dry and cured. Seems to be okay. It doesn't look like a professional did it, but like I said, the boat is not going to be taking any water in, and that was my main concern. It's going to be partially covered, and it should look okay afterwards. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment. And if you want to bash me because of the way it looks, go ahead and do so too. I really don't care. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.